Now, this is how we can send birthday balloons on the iPhone. And let me explain it to you exactly step by step on how it works. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by hitting the red subscribe button, and you're never gonna miss anything. Now, there are a few prerequisites, like you can only do this through iMessage. So the green messages over the carrier, the cellular messages are not going to support it. But if you have the iMessage set up, you can literally type in any message or text, have it ready in the text field. And then before you hit the blue button to send it, you will instead hold down on it and choose from the different available effects. So you have like the bubble effect, which will change the way the text bubble gets delivered, but we want to change it to the screen, and you can swipe through it and you should be able to find the balloons, right? So these are not necessarily for birthday only, but you can generally use it for any message. So yeah, as you can tell, there are even like more features or effects available which you can add. So yeah, that's how you can do this. And of course, outside of that, you can as well just look up some GIFs, which are like these animated images with like birthday balloons, which you can also just send in here, right? So you'll be able to look up a dedicated birthday widget, which is something that a lot of people might want to do as well. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. I would really appreciate your support. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.